Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can download Netflix on your desktop or laptop. So let's get started. First open up your search bar, then type here Microsoft, Microsoft, Microsoft Store. Open up Microsoft Store and then here you have to type Netflix, Netflix and then press enter and then click on this Netflix and now just click on get. It's downloading now. It will take some times, depends on your internet connection. So as you can see, download completed. So now just click on launch. Here you go. If you don't find this icon, just simply click on search bar, then search Netflix, and then just click on pin to taskbar. So now, as you can see, it's pinned on taskbar.